Welcome to the Institute of Biochemistry and Experimental Oncology of the First Medical Faculty. And the main focus of our scientific work is neuro-oncology. Maybe it would be more correct to say that it's experimental oncology, and neuro-oncology is part of that. But we have the luxury that we are also a pretty nice international institute. We have here doctoral students coming from abroad to improve their qualification here. We are in a rather specific situation in this institute because we have 4 groups dedicated to individual projects and topics, but all we belong under National Institute for Cancer Research, which is, at least I think it's an extremely important platform for academic oncology within our republic. And we are participating in several joint projects of the National Institute, and all together we are creating sort of national authority. And it gives us privilege to be, I wouldn't say unique, but it makes us to be important and really integral component of our scientific microclimate of this country. Regarding to our own work with support of EATRIS, which is extremely important for us, but this work dedicated for National Institute for Cancer Research, it also opens us door for international collaborations. And for example, we work with colleagues with University of Stanford, designing together probes for diagnostics of brain tumors. As I mentioned, we are active in the field of neuro-oncology, so we are interested not only in diagnostics but also in treatment. And with other external partner company, Radiomedic, we are developing probes which would enable us to deliver radioactivity into the tumors. It's logical that because of philosophy of EATRIS is like it is, we are not focusing only on our own research, only on the research of our groups, but we are collaborating with other research institutes in Czech Republic, and we are providing our services because we have quite nice equipment, laboratory equipment here in the institute, which is partially also supporting EATRIS, however it was arranged before. We have long-term collaboration with the Institute of Organic Chemistry and Biochemistry. It produced several papers and it produced several prototypes. We work with Institute of Macromolecular Chemistry, which is famous by production of biomedically applicable materials. And because partially we work on joint projects, partially we initiate collaborations for future. We are providing measurements for those activities, and of course it's understandable, but it's not only measurement, it's also expertise, it's participation on interpretation, it's participation on designing of new projects. By definition, we are academic institution and we are part of medical faculty, but because our main aim is biomedical research, we are, of course, also collaborating with our colleagues from clinical side of medicine. And this bilateral collaboration is again improving the quality of our projects. And on the other hand, we use our clinical partners as our, let's say, as our clients, because we work with biological material, with bioptic material. And because of that, we have also a tight collaboration with biobanking facilities, BBMRA. We are collaborating with people from ECRIN, and all together is creating not only one strong consortium like EATRIS, but we are part of wide network of infrastructures which are very important for designing of background of science in Czech Republic. Our work with EATRIS is not only pleasure and something which is helping our institute or our individual research groups, but it's also something like existence within good community. So it definitely helps us with visibility abroad, because EATRIS is, of course, international network. It helps us to support our primary interests within the National Institute for Cancer Research. It improves our visibility for external partners, which has both sides. It's not only joint projects, but it's also that there is growing interest of students from abroad to do their PhDs in our laboratories. Not only PhDs, but also postdocs. And altogether, I think it creates extremely inspirative, creative consortium, and it's a pleasure for us to be part of that.